Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use the Tradingview strategy builder. All right, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. Just going to go straight to the point. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to access the strategy builder feature. So you can go ahead and access the strategy builder features by simply clicking on the strategies button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. Step 2 is going to be to select a strategy template. So go ahead and select a strategy template such as a means revision or a trend following strategy. Step 3 is going to be to customize your strategy. So now that you selected a strategy template, you can just go ahead and customize your strategy by adjusting the parameters and settings to make that suit your specific need. The fourth and final step will be to backtest your strategy. So you can backtest your strategy using historical data to evaluate its performance. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview strategy builder. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.